Okay, Josh. Third video with this Corvette. I'm pretty sure people like this Corvette, but
I like this Corvette.
What are we doing with this thing? Like,
the doors don't go up, so we're taking them off, and we're gonna ride to Cletus's drift event tomorrow in style.
so prep work the day before we go. I guess we're gonna hoon in this thing.
We're gonna hoon with the doors off. We're gonna take off the other door right now, and then we're gonna go get some fresh tires since these ones are bald.
What is it? 4 bolts.
4 bolts and then 2 harness clips, and then she's out.
All right, let's get this.
The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names at the stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them pay for the things that they did. They set out teenagers.
Hey, I appreciate you, brother.
Thanks, bro.
Sipping on straight glory, let the vibe slide over me. This beat is a chemical, beat is a chemical. When I leave, don't save my seat. I'll be back when it's all complete. The moment is medical. Loving what I'm
About doing donuts, baby. You know how it is. Don't let it do Mustang stuff.
We should probably just be homies. We should probably just be homies. Yeah. Yeah. We should probably just be homies. Yeah. Sorry, girl, I gotta go. Yeah, you know this ain't the old me. Try to keep it on the low, but we should probably just be homies. Yeah, I said I gotta go. Girl, don't act like you don't know me. I ain't tryna waste your time, so we should probably just be homies. This has gone on way too long. We need to break. Try to keep